Okay, here's how to access your Canvas assignments. Now that you're in ClassLink, you're going to see the Canvas icon right here. And so you're going to click on Canvas. This will take you to the virtual platform of Canvas. And you will notice that as soon as you come here, it will have a dashboard. This is where you're going to see all of the courses that your child is enrolled in. So right now you see Hueter Homeroom Math, Hueter Homeroom Science, and Literacy for Hueter's Homeroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to notice that there is a little announcement thing here. Sometimes there will be announcements that are posted by teachers. So for example, if you click on the math one, you're going to look here and you're going to see kind of like the welcome page. And if you click down here, there's assignments here. You may also find assignments in modules. So click assignments, and once you've done assignments, you will see the things that they're assigned that week. Okay. Now what's important is the assignments will be listed by day. So if your child is in school on a Thursday or a Friday, you do not want them to do those assignments at home. Okay. You only want them to do the assignments at home on the days that they are not at school. Okay. You can toggle back and forth between subject areas by going back to the dashboard. So if you click literacy, you will see assignments here also. You can click modules, and here are the assignments for modules. And notice this week it has welcome in-class assignment, and then there is an at-home assignment, and then there's an assignment for Friday. Okay? So I hope that this video helps. Remember, if you have any questions or trouble getting into Canvas, please email your child's teacher or send them a message via Remind.